next concept is inverse points. So inverse points means, so before telling the definition of the inverse points, first we are taking one circle here. This is the circle, S is equals to 0 and C be the center of the circle and R is the radius of the circle. Now the points P comma Q, here we take one point P and Q. The points P comma Q are said to be the inverse points with respect to the given circle S is equals to 0. If the points C, P, Q are collinear and the value Cp into Cq is equal to R square. If Cp into Cq, if this value is equal to R square and the points C, P, Q are collinear, then the points P, Q are said to be the inverse points with respect to the given circle S is equals to 0. So that is the definition of the inverse points. So now inverse points, let C be the center and R be the radius of the circle. C is the center and R is the radius of the circle. The points P, Q are said to be the inverse points if C, P, Q are collinear. The points C, P, Q are collinear and Cp into Cq is equal to R square. This is the definition of the inverse points. Now, and the next point, inverse point of P is nothing but the foot of the perpendicular drawn from P to the polar of P. Suppose this is the polar of P. Now, to find the inverse point of the one point P, simply we find the foot of the perpendicular which is drawn from point P to the polar of P. Now, this is the second inverse point. This is the inverse point of the point P. Q is the inverse. These 2 points are the inverse points. So, second point, the inverse point of P is the foot of the perpendicular drawn from P to the polar of P with respect to the given circle S is equal to 0. So, this is nothing but the inverse point, foot of the perpendicular drawn from P to the polar of P. Find the inverse point of minus 2, 3 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 9 is equal to 0. So, first here one circle is given, this is a given circle and one point is given, point is minus 2, 3. So, first we find the relative position of this point with respect to the circle, that is we are substituting the point in the given circle. So, x square minus 2 whole square 4 plus y square 3 square 9 minus 4 into minus 2 plus 8 minus 6 into 3 minus 18 plus 9. Now, here plus 9 plus 18 minus 18 gets cancelled. So, answer is equal to 12, that is greater than 0. So, greater than 0 means the S11 greater than 0 means the point P lies outside of the circle. If the point P lies outside of the circle, then its inverse point lies inside of the circle. Now, clearly this is the center of the circle. Now, here what is the inverse point of P? So, here the inverse point of P is nothing but simply this is the foot of the perpendicular drawn from P to the polar of P. So to find the inverse point, first we take the polar equation and to that polar equation we find the foot of the perpendicular from the point P. That is the concept. So, first here we are taking the given circle equation. Given circle is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 9 is equals to 0. Next we take the given point. Given point is minus 2, 3. Now, finding the polar equation. Equation of polar of P. Equation of polar of P is S1 is equals to 0. So, writing the S1 notation. Equation of polar of P is S1 equals to 0. So, taking S1 notation. So, S1 notation is, this S is equal to 0 circle, x square. X square means x1 plus y square. Y square means y1 minus 4x. Now, take the half of the value. Minus 2 into x plus x1. Here also taking half of the value. Minus 3 into y plus y1 plus 9 is equals to 0. And here in place of x1, y1 we take minus 2, 3. That is x into minus 2 plus y into 3 minus 2 into x minus 2 minus 3 into y plus 3 plus 9 is equals to 0. Minus 2x plus 3y minus 2x plus 4 minus 3y minus 9 plus 9 equals to 0. And here plus 3y minus 3y plus 9 minus 1 gets cancelled. So, the remaining values are minus 2x into minus 2x minus 2x minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. Taking minus 4 common, minus 4 into x minus 1 equal to 0. That is x minus 1 equal to 0. This is the equation of the polar. Now, we are finding the inverse point. For that, first we take the foot of the perpendicular formula. So, foot of the perpendicular formula is h minus x1 by a is equals to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. So in this equation we are taking the values of ABC as here from this a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, there is no y term, and c is equal to minus 1, and point p is equals to x1 y1, that is minus 2 comma 3. Now we are substituting these values here now. H minus x1. x1 is equal to minus 2, minus of minus plus 2. By the values h plus 2 by 1 is equal to k minus 3 by 0 is equal to minus of minus 2 minus 1 by 1 plus 0. Now that is h plus 2 by 1 is equal to k minus 3 by 0 is equal to minus of minus 3, that is 3. That is h plus 2 is equal to 3 and k minus 3 by 0 is equal to 3. Then h is equal to 3 minus 2, that is 1, and k minus 3 is equals to 0, then h k is equal to 3. Therefore, inverse point is equals to 1 comma 3. That's all.